Introducing the Shiny Shaft, the ultimate solution for polishing your knob. Don't take my word for it. Just listen to this testimonial from Shaggy from Scooby-Doo.
Like, hey man, it's me, Shaggy. Shiny Shaft is totally groovy.
We've all been in a sticky situation before, haven't we, Shaggy?
Like, my knob gets so sticky after I started running away from all spooky ghosts.
Let's say your hot aunt is coming over and you scrub every inch of your home and body. But what about the doorknob?
Like, you gotta give the knob a lot of attention, man.
Suddenly, your aunt reaches for your brown 2-inch crusted over knob sticking out of the doorway. Their hand is in for a surprise.
Zoinks!
But wait, there's hope. Shiny Shaft is here to save the day. Simply grasp your shiny shaft firmly and stroke rapidly up and down your doorknob.
Like, let me try, man. Oh wow, it feels totally cool.
Its no slip handle allows for a super eating a frosty banana experience. Regardless of how slippery or slimy your knob has become, whether it's delicious meat juices or bubble gum, the ultra soft suction pads suck it right off your knob. Look at that! In only 8 strokes, your knob is as clean as a baby's butt. Polish your knob in the bedroom, polish your knob in the bathroom. You can even polish your knob outside.
You can polish your knob on the mystery mobile, or mystery machine, or whatever.
Say goodbye to sticky knees from your improper knob manipulation. And when your friends see your shiny shaft, they won't be able to look away.
Now my doorknob is so shiny, Scoob can see his own reflection when I... Like Zoid, you can see the ghost reflections too.
And a shiny shaft knob polisher is resilient to all environmental conditions. Is your knob shriveled up in the cold Alaska weather? Or is it dripping wet from the humidity of the desert? Not a problem. The Shiny Shaft is designed to withstand all kinds of temperatures.
Like, my knob doesn't even work right. Sometimes you gotta jiggle it.
Care to demonstrate, Shaggy, my good friend?
Like, sure.
Easy there, Shaggy. We just polished that knob.
Like Zoinks.
Folks, we have a special limited time offer for you watching at home. Pick up the phone and call the number on your screen in the next 10 minutes and you'll receive not just one, but 2 Shiny Shaft knob polishers. But only if you order now.
Like, 2 for 1, man. Now double hand my knobs. Mystery totally solved.
But that's not all. Call now and we'll also throw in the Nut Bowl Comer. Are you tired of your peanuts and walnuts looking like dirty little beans? Simply bullcomb those dirty little beans thoroughly with the Bull Comer. Nut Bowl Comer.
Wow, that nut bowl comer's gone totally crazy.
But you gotta call now.
Pick up the phone, man. Do it, man.
Pick up the phone, call me. Call!
They took Scooby away from me, but you gotta pick up the phone, man, or else he'll become a body pillow man! Ah!
This is officially a ransom threat. Scooby from Scooby-Doo will encounter accidentally become a body pillow if you don't call now.
Order now. Call 1-800-347-6563. That's 1-800-347-6563. Terms and conditions apply. Not available in all locations. Shipping and sales tax not included. Billy Mays and Jar Entertainment Studios are not responsible for any injuries, maladies, or general misfortune that may befall you after consuming this product. Limited time offer expires March 2nd before purchase. All violations will be punished to the fullest extent of the law. This product should not be used by anyone under any circumstances. See website for details and don't question anything. We will all become one.
Man,
Great journey to salvation with liberty and justice for all.